run through it. It'll tell you what we do as we go. This will run through a whole little process. So we've got the test in progress. So here's bring the camera here a little bit. See this thing blinking right here that says 0 fault?
Yeah.
Rule of thumb here. There's the booklets for these things. This is the booklet for the GMI.
Okay.
You got sample, off, sample, fault. What does that say? Zero fault. So here's your 0 fault. This indicates that the 0 is out with its calibration limit. Switch the instrument off and on, off and then on again in fresh air. If the fault does not clear, leave the instrument on for a period of 30 minutes. Then switch off and on again. If the fault still does not clear, return the instrument for servicing. Typically it's an oxygen sensor or something. What I would do on something like this is I'm going to run through the calibration because it shouldn't affect what it does. Sometimes they do, and if it does, I'm going to show you how to change an oxygen sensor, I guess. But typically you can let it go and tell the crew to run it through. So we got to apply 50% LEL methane. That right there plugs into your port. Right up over there. When that thing is facing that way, that's running off of this bottle right here. Yes, sir.
Just remind me about my safety talks.
Probably.
You probably
I'll
forget.
probably forget.
Because Darryl had one yesterday morning, did he?
He just did it on his own, I think. If you just want to get, and you don't need me to, if you just want to get one of the sign-in sheets.
When I have those.
If you just want to do a sign-in sheet and write up their traffic control or whatever, and just talk to them for 5 minutes about it,
Okay.
and sign it, that's fine for right now.
Something.
Just something to document what the topic was about. That's the important thing.
Okay.
So you got this, I'm reading right here.
Thanks.
Thanks, Mike. Apply 50%, we're at 48%. That's about as close as you're going to get for this type of stuff right here.
You have my email address. Send me yours.
I give you that. If you go back, I'll resend it to you, though, Mike.
Because my wife wants to.
Bring her out west.
Yeah, she wants to.
Oh, his voice changed.
Yeah, bring her out
Oh, you're
west.
right. She's fixing me some names.
Oh, I like his wife. His
Voice,
wife.
whatever you are.
There you go. That's what I'm talking about right there.
Okay.
That thing will blow sometimes.
Okay.
Yeah, I'll send it to you here in a little bit.
Just in
Mike.
case I don't see
Been
it.
a pleasure,
It's been
buddy.
good.
Thank you. I appreciate it, Mike. So apply 50%. Click OK. Turn that back on. So that's why you got to kind of be careful. No, don't leave this one on unless you're standing here.
Is this the air mix or
This is
the nitrogen?
100% gas.
Nitrogen.
It's methane. Big methane on there with like a 1% nitrogen balance. So now it says apply 100% volume gas.
Okay.
Flip that 180 degrees.
Okay, so this one, this way is the nitrogen, and this one's the one with the air.
And to be honest with you, it doesn't matter a whole lot as long as you're looking at this. And let's say you mix these hoses up, so that'll be backwards. As long as you're looking at this, if it's on 50% and you have it this way, just flip it back that way until this gets where it needs to be.
As long as both of them get
Yeah,
calibrated.
I mean it's I just do it a specific way because it's easier.
They
for
both go to
repetition.
55?
This one will go up to 100% now.
Which one goes up to 100?
This one.
The second one that you do, or is it
The
always this
second
one?
one. See, it'll say apply 100%.
Oh, so one is
This
half and the other's the other half.
Correct. You calibrate off two different ranges.
Okay.
So now we're up to 100% gas. Click OK. So that passed. So ensure all gases are off before clicking OK. Just click OK. And now these that's good. Now this one may fail. Again, apply 100% volume. Okay, that's what we're on 100% volume already. Okay, that one passed too. Now it says apply clean air. So if this was the last unit I was doing for the day, I turn this off. I turn this off. And I'll just let it kind of
bleed out.
suck some of the stuff, and you'll hear it kind of start dying down. You have to be careful on new ones that have a really good pump in it. You won't burn it up. It'll lock up your pump, which is that's fine. I mean, they're built to do that. But if that happens, you just hit. So I'm gonna pull that off here. I don't think this one will lock up. So the pump on this one's kind of weak, but they'll lock up, and that's like a leak check type of a deal. Just hit the top button, or even the second button. I think will turn it right back on. We'll just let this thing slowly go down.
These can come off now.
You can go ahead and pull. Yep, you can go ahead and. I think I turned all that off.
Yeah.
So you're good to go on that. You can just undo them. Just kind of unscrew them. Kind of once you crack them, just give them a good little. Or you're actually unscrew it from the bottle itself. Just right there. And then twist that sucker off. So this is about down to 0.0 right here. Apply clean air. Boom. Done. And it'll say test in progress, and eventually it'll go up here and it'll say pass, and this one will pass.
So everything's set. We pretty much just
All you have
follow
to do,
through
yeah,
on it.
all you do is just whatever it says do, you do it. And you know, look off of here if you ever have any questions. If I don't know if I'm right, all you gotta do is look at here. It'll say 50% LEL or 100% gas, and whatever it says on there, you're done. And then once you're done, make sure all gases are off. Okay. Instrument removed. You're done. Now, if you had another one to do, you just leave it right here like this. You take this one off, grab number 21 or whatever, back up here. Connect instrument, so you hook it right back up, and then just click the test link adapter. It'll run you through the same process again.
Cool.
Okay.
After you guys are done with everything, you come up here, reports. Open it, and you would print off a copy. After you're done with everything for the day.
So it logs itself in.
It'll log everything in there automatically. You
Just
print off a
print it.
copy, and then I showed him where my file is right there.
Okay.
You just open it up, GMI, throw it in there.
Okay.
And this is this is what it looks like. And it'll give you, sometimes these dates, for whatever reason, this program is a little bit funky sometimes on the dates. Don't try to go in there and mess with it. It won't work for you. Just leave it where it is. The important thing is right here, January 8th. That's today's date. If somebody ever comes down here, let's say this is GMI 526584. It's going to be a bitch if I can find these things on here. My eyes already hurt. Do you see 584 anywhere? There it is right here. So that's one right there.
Yes.
See, that says August 1st, 2016. February 1st, 2016. So whatever, I don't know what it is. 70% of the time, all these dates will come up right. The other 30% of the time,